Hello and welcome to a new episode of Tips and Tricks 5. In today's class, let's get exposed to a few words that actually have some confusing letters for many of us. Okay, let's display them as shown. How would you read these words at the first sight? How would you read them? Okay, you see that these words are easy for you, okay? Let's try علي. Okay, listen to your mates, raise your voice, be confident, be reading, and go on.
آسيا.
Asia.
ماليزيا.
Malaysia.
اندونيسيا.
Indonesia.
ماليزيا.
Tunisia.
روسيا.
Persia.
آسيا.
Again.
اندونيسيا.
Amnesia. Logically, he's right. But this is not the proper pronunciation for these words as he says. What's right? Okay, let me demonstrate to avoid the improper pronunciation for this. As you see, if you look carefully at the words, you will notice that they have a common ending. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
The combination of these three letters. S-I-A, 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 and S-I-A. The words have a common ending. This combination, this group of letters produces ja sound. Ja, not the j, not even j. Ja, ja sound. To be said, to be read as again علي. Give yourself a try كده.
آسيا. Asia.
Asia, not Asia. Okay, good.
Malaysia.
Malaysia, very good.
Indonesia.
Yes, this word is a little bit long, okay? Chop it up, chop it up. Indonesia. Indonesia, good.
Tunisia.
Tunisia, the English people, okay, say like Tunisia. Both, either or, okay. Tunisia or Tunisia.
Persia.
Persia, very good.
India.
Amnesia, very nice. Okay, thank you. You're getting better. Okay. Asia, what Asia? What Asia for?
Asia.
Is it a country? Is it a place? Asia.
Continent.
It's a continent. Very good. What's your name? A new joiner, Mustafa. Good job. Yes, Asia is a continent. How many continents do we have on the words map? 7 continents? 6 or 8?
Seven.
Okay, 7 continents. Who can name them? Or let it be a task for next, okay? Asia is the largest continent. Yeah, I guess 60% of the population live on there. Asia. What's Malaysia for? Malaysia. It's a country, not a continent. It's a country in here.